Before we go, we got to finish the update to Garbage Time Bingo! Yeah! First up, we already mingoed Cam Newton's stupid hat earlier. He gone. Next, ball hits the uprights. Hey, it's okay. It happens to every kicker at some point. This time it happened to Connor Barth of the Bears. Hey, good thing you got rid of Robbie Gould. Mingo. Next up, Manning face. Now, what are the chances that we're going to get Manning face so early in the... Oh, wow, there it is. Yeah, that's definitely Manning face. Yeah, so, Mingo. Oh, we getting close here. Next, we have running back hurdles defender. And yes, that was all 250 pounds of LeGarrette Blount hurdling a helpless Dolphins defender. Mingo. Getting close all over the place. Last, who had the Rams beating the Seahawks this week, 9-3? No one? Yeah, no one. So that would be a huge upset clearing out the survivor pool. So, Mingo! Board's filling up, guys. But no bingo yet. So keep tweeting them at us with hashtag Garbage Time Bingo. I'm nervous because I know we don't have a lot of time.